Okay, so check this out, the JOBY Swing Phone Mount Kit. This thing is a game changer for anyone who wants to up their smartphone video game without breaking the bank or lugging around a ton of gear. It's basically a mini motorized slider specifically designed for your phone, and it's seriously cool. First off, it's super compact and lightweight. I can easily toss it in my bag and take it anywhere. It's not meant for big cameras or action cams, just your phone, which is perfect for most content creators these days. One thing to note, though, is that your phone's optical image stabilization, OIS, might interfere a bit, so using the front camera or the ultra-wide lens usually gives the best results. I've definitely noticed smoother footage that way. Setting it up is a breeze. It can be mounted to a tripod, or if you have the JOBY Range Pod Smart, it attaches to that too. The real magic happens with the JOBY Motion app. You connect via Bluetooth, and boom, you have total control over the slider's movement right from your phone. You can adjust the speed, the distance, and even create some really cool time-lapse. The app is intuitive and easy to use, even if you're a total newbie to this kind of stuff. Now, let's talk about the quality of the footage. This little slider adds a professional touch to your videos. Think smooth panning shots, dynamic B-roll, and those cinematic time-lapse that everyone loves. It's a huge step up from just holding your phone and trying to keep it steady. It supports phones up to 600 grams, which covers pretty much any smartphone out there. I've been using the JOBY Swing for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm impressed. It's so easy to use, it's portable, and it delivers some seriously impressive results. If you're a vlogger, a content creator, or just someone who wants to make better videos with their phone, this is definitely worth checking out. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in the quality of your content. It's not going to replace a professional-grade slider, but for the price and portability, it's a fantastic option. It's really opened up a lot of creative possibilities for me, and I think it will for you too. Just remember to use that wide-angle lens for the smoothest possible footage.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.